In this video, I want to show you how to turn on, how to turn off, and how to restart your iPhone 16e. So let's get started right away. To turn on the phone, simply press on the power button that is on the right side, okay? Keep it pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. Then you can release the power button, and usually in around 20 seconds, you'll be able to use your phone. Now, how do you turn it off? Well, no matter where you are, simply drag down from the top right corner. You're going to see a power button over here. You need to keep it pressed during half of a second. And then you're going to see slide to power off. Take this, bring it towards the right side, and the iPhone will shut down. Now let me show you how to restart your phone. To restart your phone, simply press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Do not release it. Stay like this until you see the Apple logo appearing on your screen. So I'll stay like that. Usually it takes, again, maybe 15 seconds. All right, I'm still pressing. I see the Apple logo. I can release the button. And now the phone will power on by itself. You don't have to touch anything. And again, about 20 seconds, you'll see this display, enter your password, and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, check my Amazon links if you want a case for your iPhone 16, and I'll see you in the next video.